I'm gonna have to. Oh!
This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Champion, world champion, figure skaters.
I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the Learjet. Holy shit! Holy shit!
What?
This vehicle is gonna crash right in front of me. Oh, it did. It crashed. It turned over.
Oh.
Yeah. He was
Oh
towing
my
a
God.
vehicle. He's towing a vehicle and he
flipped
got
over?
the wobbles. The vehicle he was towing flipped over.
Oh my God. That kind of stuff scares me to watch. What good is that?
This time of day, great performance. You want to try again? We'll redeem you.
Okay, grapefruit.
G-R-A-P-T-E-F-R-E. That's Roane County. Question number 6, Shane gave you the answer on the ride home yesterday afternoon at 5:25. And Bridget Jones' diary, what is the name of Bridget's?
Fucking finally. Boy. Shit. Oh my God.
Oh!
I said I got expelled from school, and when I got home, my dad... Oh my God! Okay, Garmin, save video. Holy shit!
Is fraudulent. These are astounding numbers, and we've been talking about it for too long. It's now time for action, and President Trump and Elon Musk are painting with bold colors, not soft pastels.
Oh, and I was specifically asking what you might want to see Elon Musk, and I don't know, will this be an ask and answer kind of situation? What do you want to ask him?
Well, yeah, it usually is, and we just want to make sure that all of the things that are coming out of DOGE and from the executive branch are accurate, because the left is licking their chops and waiting for them to make any kind of mistake so they can erode their credibility, and I don't want to see that happen. So I want to make sure that we're double and triple checking. We're seeing these potential savings, and we're seeing this fraud, waste, and abuse. We just need to be accurate. We need to be right.
Well, Boy, I tell you, just learning what you just said explains a lot. I mean, Democrats, instead of coming up with their own message and way forward for the American people, they'd rather spend their days.
Happen. So I want to make sure that we're double and triple. We're seeing these potential savings, and we're seeing this fraud, waste, and abuse. We just need to be accurate. We need to be right.
Boy, I tell you.
They looked very British.
Yes.
I don't think I hit it.
Fuck. I feel like I woke up on acid.
I'm just now wondering, I do have a copy of the Rig Veda on my shelf back there. If I go read that before I fall asleep, I wonder what kind of weird-ass dreams I'm going to have tonight.
How will you know if they're dreams? Only because they're short.
What are you doing?
Ova, 130 Peter. Dobrze. Już